Located approximately 50 kilometres inland from Greymouth, milking 720 cows once a day, utilising the farm halter system. Total effective area, approximately 300 hectares, majority riverflat soils and some glacial terrace soils. 54 bale rotary cowshed, meal feeders, auto cup removers, ProTrack, milk meters, 550 cow self-washing rectangular yard. Fantastic 19-pen tunnel house for calves and good complement farm buildings. Spacious 2-storey Summerhill stone homestead. 3-bedroom permanent material cottage, garage and carport. 5-year average, 244,323 kgs milk solids. Production achieved with addition of further 60 hectares of vendors' neighbouring property utilised as milking or support. This land can be leased or purchased. Feeding approx 350 tonne mineralised pallets. This season we'll be feeding PK. Approx 200 baleage made on. Cows and young stock wintered at vendors' neighbouring property. Wintering and grazing could continue if required. Utilising the cow halter system, farm is split in 13 blocks with 7 towers. Available going concern with option to purchase, graze or lease more neighbouring land. Outdoor lifestyle on your doorstep with spectacular hunting and fishing and a short drive to Lake Brunner for all your recreational needs. Contact Greg Daly Real Estate for full details.